Hey Lee, thanks so much for joining me today. We're going to chat a little bit about the CNCF Ambassador Program, your work in the community, the cloud native space, all of that. Do you want to start off by just giving us a brief introduction about yourself?
Sure. Yeah. Lee Calcote, founder at Layer5.io. But yeah, I end up spending a fair bit of time in a few different communities, some more deeply than others. Was happy to, or just excited when the CNCF originally formed. And so for me, service mesh is sort of, not only is it super hot, interesting, very helpful for how people are running their cloud native infrastructure, but has a particular focus of mine.
For someone who's new, just getting started, how would you describe the concept of cloud native?
Clearly, the cloud native world is comprised of some ephemeral things.
Yeah.
I would identify maybe first and foremost that things that are cloud native are software as a service. Every function as a service project or offering that I know of does execute functions inside of containers, and so that's so still a pretty strong definition.
Right.
Part of it also is distributed systems, is a bit of the ability to horizontally scale.
Let's talk a little bit about cloud native trends. Is there anything you're seeing or excited about in the next year or so?
So maybe two things that I would highlight that are sort of emerging areas of interest within cloud native: service mesh, also chaos engineering, but also service mesh has promised a lot of value, and some of them look a bit different than others, and that's in part why I've been pouring some time into Layer5.io, which hopefully helps provide a little bit of clarity around some of the different both projects and vendor offerings in that space. As Kubernetes was coming into its fullness, there were, and there still are, a number of choices around container orchestration.
Awesome. So you talked a little bit about your work with Layer5. You're part of our CNCF Ambassador Program. Could you tell us kind of why you wanted to join that program and talk a little bit about more of your work in the community?
It's something of a natural fit. Just the opportunity to engage with others in the community and have conversations with them. So that's probably number one sort of attraction to the program. The other one is I end up organizing a couple of meetups in Austin, Texas. There's just a lot of support and structure to a program like this, where so many projects and updates going on that just even for myself to be able to keep up, it's something of a blessing to be within the program.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking some time to talk to me today.
Yeah, thank you, Caitlin.